Hello class, my name is Caleb. Today I'm going to be talking about pollution and greenhouse gases. It's a topic that really interests me. I've really picked up on it in the past couple of years, ever since Trump got into office. I've really seen how Trump's administration is trying to undo all of the environmental protections that Obama worked so hard to create during his administration. So that's why I'm kind of really passionate about it. My personal experience with this topic is I don't really litter. I recycle, so I already feel like I'm doing my part to make sure that the world is going to be around for generations to come. Others should want to learn about this topic. Not only is it interesting, but it's things that you should know, like our ozone depletion and stuff like that. It's things that people should be aware about because it's only going to get worse from here. The single most interesting aspect or fact that I found. So in the United States, the burning of fossil fuels to make electricity is the largest source of heat trapping pollution, producing about 2 billion tons of CO2 every year. Coal burning power plants are by far the biggest polluters. The country's second largest source of carbon pollution is the transportation sector, which generates about 1.7 billion tons of CO2 emissions a year. So with coal power plants, I know that Trump is a big supporter of them, and I feel like there's better ways for us to create or generate electricity. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for listening.